we passed a motion of impeachment. We were 281 MPs against 44, and you can see the majority of us voted for his impeachment. There has been some few issues here and there, and especially the Meru people, we have hope that it's Kindiki who is supposed to take over from Gachagua, and that was the kind of idea we had when we were signing, because at that time when we were going to elections of 2022, Kindiki was voted by almost all the MPs, other than 3, to be the deputy president. But it was the wisdom of President William Ruto, to pick Gachagua instead of Kindiki. But now, since Kindiki was number 2, and now Gachagua is being impeached, we believed as Meru MPs that number 2 is supposed to take that place of number 1. So we signed on strength that Kindiki is going to be appointed as a DP. But from the time we passed that impeachment, things are not as they were. I'm concerned because you see now, we are hearing of somebody like Ilongo Kangata. They're even calling us, they're robbing us to support them. There's also a majority leader, Kimani Ichung'wah. There is one the women caucus of governors. They are up in arms, saying that according to the speech of William Ruto, president, he had promised them that the next deputy president will be a woman. They're also mentioning Gladys Wanga, and also sometimes they even bring the name of Raila Odinga in the scene. So when they bring all those things into Meru, that's what we say, Mambura ya kuyanyenje. Mambura ya kuyanyenje is not straightforward as it was. So I'm so much concerned that there are those other players who have come in the scene. So it should be as that rumors and as it was at that time, because he was number 2. Let's number 2 take from number 1, because number 1 has been impeached as the deputy president. So that's what I can say. Okay. A number of tribes, communities are lobbying to have their own to be number 2. See? And I would like to clarify this. It was not President William Ruto who told us to impeach Gachagua. It was the charges which were read in Parliament. And I can assure you, members of Parliament were not bribed and they did not get any money from anybody. But if you had listened to the charges which were in Parliament, there was no reason why you could not impeach the deputy president. Because, you see, the deputy president should carry the message of what we call collective responsibility of the cabinet, of the executive, what they have talked in the cabinet, and they have agreed upon it.